This is just a tiny bit that's left over. I got nipped today by a dog. Kind of bruised me a little bit. And he got a hold of my pant, my shorts over here, grabbed a hold. But that was the first time that's ever happened. And then we've got this here. Now I've been smelling stuff like there's a leak somewhere. And this floor is getting soft and mushy right around here. So there is something going on. Pretty much right here. So there's something wrong there, obviously. So this has to come up, be fixed. I think these washer and dryer needs to be removed. Let's see how this is. This is pretty solid. I don't want to make it any worse. So I have put this cover over here because the cats were getting behind the washer and dryer. So I'll take all this down, remove the washer and dryer. I'll put the washer and dryer over here. I'll put the tables back in the corner over there in the living room. I'll move this over there and slide the washer. Move this over there probably. This. And put the washer and dryer right here for now. And then obviously all this is going to move. But see where that foam is? There was a hole in the wall because there was a leak. And then I got a new roof. So, oh, the dog chewed. I don't know if there's a problem with the hot water heater. It does feel so. And this is, today is Monday, the 8th, September 2025, when I got nipped by the dog. So, this is the first, well, I'd say maybe second day I felt this. So, when I run the washer and dryer, maybe that's, I don't know, man. But I'll move them to see. Now, underneath where the vent is for the dryer, it's broken underneath there because the animals clawed it. So, like, humidity is getting up. So, basically, there's often water in here, moisture. But today it's raining. But we'll see. I'll take this all out, and then I think I'll have to rip this linoleum up and have to fix what's under there and then put some new flooring of some kind. But yeah, home ownership. Let's see how this is over here. Oh yeah. Yeah, right here. Oh, this whole area. This whole area. This is a rubber mat. But it's the, I don't know, I have to figure it out. I put this little mat down because the cats were clawing the carpet. I would shut the door and they'd claw under it and tear this up. So anyway, it's something for me to do. Okay, I'll just step over that area. I'm gonna go and relax. Netflix and watch TV.